Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the ultimate broccoli and cheese casserole. If you guys enjoyed my last broccoli and cheese casserole recipe, you guys are going to love this. I'm going to be adding some chicken and shrimp to it so it can be a full meal. If you guys are interested in this recipe, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell below. That way you become a part of the foodie family. So let me go ahead and introduce these ingredients so we can get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need 3 bags of frozen broccoli. Make sure you guys get all broccoli florets. Do not get the cuts. Trust me, it makes a big difference. I'm also going to be using 2 cans of cream of mushroom, as well as 1 cup of mayonnaise. I like to use Hellmann's, but by all means, use your favorite brand. Just don't use Miracle Whip. You also will need 2 eggs to bind the casserole together, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. You're also going to need 1 medium-sized onion chopped finely and 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. Alright, so to make this more of a meal, I'm going to add in a pound of shrimp. Obviously, you want to make sure you wash, peel, and devein it. As you can see, I have taken that vein out. And this is a chicken I'm going to be using. This is already cooked chicken. We're going to make it real easy. This is an easy recipe. And I'm using 2 bags of this. And this is the seasonings that we're going to be using for this casserole. As you can see, we don't need much seasoning. 2 teaspoons of Lawrys seasoning, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of complete seasoning. Now we're going to move on to the broccoli. I'm just going to go ahead and dump that into some boiling water and let that blanch for 3 minutes. We just want to get rid of all of that moisture from the broccoli. So after 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and drain that excess water and let the broccoli cool off before we start to form our casserole. Alright, so now that we have added our broccoli to our casserole dish, you just want to go ahead and add in that seasoning, and just keep in mind less is more because the cream of mushroom soup is already seasoned. So just go ahead and add in the shrimp, the chicken, and the onions. Go ahead and give everything a good mix until it is well combined. Once that is well combined, we're going to add in the mayonnaise. And we're going to add in those 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. Go ahead and mix everything together until it is a smooth consistency. You'll know when it's all mixed together, when it starts to look really creamy. Okay, so now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. You can substitute this for any cheese of your choice. I'm also going to add in 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese, and just go ahead and mix that all together as well. Now once I'm done mixing those cheeses all together, I'm going to add in the 2 eggs. And I'm just going to beat that in the corner just so it'll be easier for me to combine everything all together. So just go ahead and make sure you mix that all together. Make sure it is well combined. Do not skip the eggs, because if you skip the eggs, your broccoli casserole will not stick together like you want it to. So we're just going to go ahead and smear everything down so it's leveled. And then we're going to add the cheeses on top. I'm going to be adding some more cheddar cheese. That way we can have that nice cheesy crust on top with those bubbly crispy edges. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I'm going to take that sleeve of Ritz crackers and I'm just going to crush it up right in the casing just like that. Once that is all crushed up, we're going to open that up and we're just going to put that right on the top. And that's going to give us the crust that I was just talking about. So once we're done adding those Ritz crackers, I like to add some butter on top just to make sure it can get that nice, buttery, crispy top that we all want in our casserole. Alright, so now that we're all done, we're going to pop this in the oven on 350 for 20 minutes covered. Then we're gonna remove that cover and cook it for an additional 25 minutes uncovered. Then after that, we're gonna put it in the broiler for 1 to 3 minutes just so we can get that nice crispy crust. And this is what this is looking like fresh out the oven, guys. And may I say, this was absolutely delicious and so easy to make. This is definitely one of those one-pan meals that you need to try out. So let me just go ahead and dig right into this so you guys can see that inside. As you can see, it's super creamy. You can see the shrimp. You can see the chicken. Absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy one-pan broccoli casserole meal. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.